What the hell's going on in here, Jem? Why have you got so many candles?
Well, obviously, I'm building my JAMstack e-commerce candle shop.
What's it called?
Pick a Sick Wick. Hey guys, so I'm Gemma from Pixel Hop and I'm a developer. This tutorial is going to be me explaining or showing a tutorial on how to build a shop using Nuxt 3, Strapi 4 and Snipcart. So it's going to be split up into a few blog posts and videos, and I'll go through just the process of how I got it all working. So this is the shop in front of me, and we basically had a lot of fun building out and designing the shop and coming up with silly names for all the candles. So it's not a serious shop, it is for the sake of this tutorial, but we wanted to have fun with it. So that's why we got candle names such as Get Rich Wick, Fancy a Wiki, and Too Hot to Candle. But yeah, so this is the shop and it all works. Add to basket, and then this is Snipcart, and you can check out. You can remove things from your basket, go back to continue shopping, or you can change a quantity. Yeah, and then there's the form sign up for the subscribe, but that's not all linked up, that's just part of the designs. We wanted to make it look like a real shop. But yeah, that's it. So hope that you get value from this video, and if there's anything that I've not explained very well or that you'd like more information on, then just get in touch and let me know. But let's all get set up and get going. So let's make a directory and CD into it. Pick a Sick Wick, great name. So that makes a directory and CDs you into it. Next, we're gonna just set up our Strapi 4. So create Strapi app, and then we want the beta version. I'm gonna name this project backend. Let's get going. So what it should do is set everything up and then open up a browser tab, and you should see your Strapi project set up in the UI, and it should be running at port 1337, I believe. Cool. Let's browser. Right, ta-da, Strapi done already. So this is if you're used to Strapi 3, then you'll see there's some differences here. The UI looks quite different. Yeah, I think it looks a lot cleaner personally. So let's go ahead and create a product type. So we're going to create if we go to the content type builder and we create a new selection type, call it products. And then we just want a text field, which is going to be the title. That'll be short. Add another field, and then let's do another text field, description. Do a longer text. Let's do a media field. It's going to be the image. Single image for now, and then let's add a number field, which will be the price. some more. Cool. So that's our product type done, basically. Next we want to create some content, so let's add some products. Alright, so let's get rich wick. Lovely candle, rich in aroma. And, oh yeah, that's fine. Add an image, upload. Okay. That'll do. Right, upload that and finish at $12.99. Let's add another one as well. Oh yeah, let's publish that. Let's make sure it's published. Let's add another one. Let's see a wiki. Same image, finish. Also $12.99. Right. So now that we've added some of these, we need to make sure that that the data is public for these candles. So if we go to settings, user information plugins, roles, and then public, we should see, yeah, here, what we want to do is make sure that find and find one is available to the public. This will then mean we'll be able to fetch the data in our Nuxt app. Just to check that, what we can do is go to here /API/products, and we should see a list of our candles in a JSON format, which it tells you as well here that the URL. So yeah. Right, so that's good. Now open up a new tab in Terminal and let's create our Nuxt free app. So npx nuxy init front end. So this is going to do all the setup, and then we just need to cd into the front end, npm install. Once that's done, we can then, we like using Tailwind, so we'll install Tailwind. Right, let's go install Tailwind then. So that will install Tailwind. I always forget the command, so I've just pasted it up here, and then we just need to generate the PostCSS and the Tailwind config files, and that will do that. And now we just need to go to the Nuxt config and add in a few lines for that, so it knows about Tailwind. So Tailwind CSS And then if we do build object post CSS and then post CSS options, and then require post CSS config .js. So, and then go to the app.view. Actually, first let's just check that that's running. The Nuxt project's running. Woo! Now I'm gonna remove this welcome message, just add in a H1, just check to see if Tailwind's installed correctly. Them hints are a promising sign. Ta-da! Nice. Right, now that Tailwind's installed properly, what we want to do is add in our like theme, fonts and colours. So first of all we need to add in the meta, the links to the fonts and the Nuxt config. So let's just add in this. That should add in the fonts, and then this is just getting the Google fonts. So it's Playfair and Source Sans, I believe. So now if we go to the Tailwind config, I'm just going to paste in, so these are the brand like colours. In the when you add a class in the HTML, you just prefix brand grey, and then it'll be 300, 400 is normally the default, or 500, 600, etc. And then obviously we've got the beige, the brown and the orange, and then the headings are always Playfair font, and the body is Source Sans. So I'm not going into a huge amount of detail in this tutorial about Tailwind. I know it's like Marmite, but it's just what we use. So that should all be added. And now all we want to do is pull through from Strapi, pull through the real data. So let's start doing that. It's super easy now. It's just one line of code. So if we go to our app.view, and this is the main file, so now we just need to change this to the Nuxt page, and then I'm going to add in a folder called pages, and within that I'm going to create index.view. I just need to have template, just for now. Let's go and fetch the data. So script setup. So you need this setup now. Let's create const data products. And we just want to wait to get that, and then we want the URL to the backend to where the products will be coming out, which was the same URL this one, to where we got the JSON list earlier. So if we just add that in here, then that's it. That's all you need, and then we can just do a loop. So div, and then do a v4 product in, let's just do products data, and then add in a Nuxt link. And that's gonna have the title. Let's just okay. Let's just have a look, open up view. So let's have a look in data. So look, 2 objects coming back, which is good. And then within attribute, we've got the description, the price, the title. Great. So let's start putting that out then. So we'll have, here will be product dot attribute title, and then let's add in a link to the product itself. So the URL is products, and we can just use the product ID. Oops, I need to add in the backticks as well. Cool, so that should just, let's add in the description as well, why not? So products dot attributes dot description. Let's go check. Woohoo! Awesome. Title text bold. We'll do some more styling in the next one, but this was literally just a quick setup to be able to pull the data through, and that's working, so that's great. So yeah, next time we're going to start working through the design, start building the pages out. We'll create a products page, create a shop listing page, and we'll create components. So we'll have a header, footer, a product teaser. But yeah, so that's that for this week. Thank you for watching. From me and my candles. Over and out.